वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। तो आज क्लास 7 का सोशल साइंस सेमेस्टर 2 इसका लेसन नंबर 6 मुगल एम्पायर गोल्डन एज एंड डाउनफॉल, इसके वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशन इस वीडियो में देखेंगे। इन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस। इन फर्स्ट पॉइंट, हु वाज द पावरफुल एंड इन्फ्लुएंशियल ruler of the Mughal dynasty? The answer is C, Akbar. Second, during whose reign were many architectural monument built? The answer is A, Shah Jahan. Third, which one of the following Sikh gurus was sentenced to death by Jahangir? The answer is C, Guru Arjan Singh. Fourth, which Mughal emperor was well versed in Arabic and Persian language? The answer is D, Aurangzeb. Fifth, which Mughal emperor disliked art, music and painting? The answer is D, Aurangzeb. 6, which Mughal emperor was fond of collecting painting? The answer is A, Jahangir. 7, whose reign can be considered as the golden age of the Mughal empire? The answer is B, Shah Jahan. 8, in which year was Shivaji born? The answer is B, 1630 CE. 9, where was Shivaji born? The answer is A, Shivneri Fort. 10th, when was Shivaji coronated? The answer is C, 1674 CE. 11, where was Shivaji coronated? The answer is C, Raigad. Question 2, filling the blanks with proper words or number in the following statement. First point, Jahangir was the son of dash. The answer is Akbar. Second, Prince dash assumed the name of the Jahangir. The answer is Salim. Third, dash and dash were the representative of the King of England who come to India. The answer is Sri Hawkins and Sri Thomas Roe. Fourth, dash was the wife of Jahangir. The answer is Noor Jahan. Fifth, dash believed that agriculture in the pillar of the prosperity. The answer is Shah Jahan. 6 point, Shah Jahan established a new city dash near Old Delhi. The answer is Shahjahabad. 7, Mughal emperor dash had extraordinarily sharp memory. The answer is Aurangzeb. 8, dash fought continuously for 25 years with Aurangzeb in order to free Mawas. The answer is Veer Durgadas. 9, Aurangzeb fought for 25 years against Shiva's states of dash and dash in the south. The answer is Bijapur and Golconda. 10th, the Mughal society had dash system. The answer is feudal, Feudal. 11, Dashera festival was celebrated in the Mughal empire during the reign of dash in the grand manner. The answer is Jahangir. 12, one man was equal to dash Ratal in Mughal time. The answer is 55.5. 13, the Mughal emperor were found on dash. The answer is grand palaces. 14, Shah Jahan was known as dash in history. The answer is constructor of palace. 5th, Shah Jahan built the world famous. The answer is Taj Mahal. 16, dash and dash the French traveler visited during the Mughal period. The answer is Tavernier and Bernier. Tavernier and Bernier, Bernier. 17, the golden age of the Mughal rules means the rule of Shah Jahan. Shahajahan. 18, Maharashtra was the homeland of the Pune. 19, Shivaji was born in the year 1630 CE. 20, Shivaji was born at Shivneri Fort. 21, Shivaji learned lesson of politics from Dadoji Kondo. 22, Shivaji was coronated in the year 1674 CE. 23, Shivaji was coronated at Raigad. 24, Shivaji formed cabinet of the 8 ministers for proper administration of the state. Question 3. True false. In first point, after the death of Akbar, his sons Shah Jahan ascended to the throne. The answer is false. Second, Prince Khusro was the son of Jahangir. The answer is true. Third, most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by Nur Jahan. The answer is true. Fourth, Shah Jahan believed the trade and industry are the pillar of prosperity. The answer is false. 9 page number. Fifth point, foreigner did not have the right to take away wealth from India in the Mughal Empire. The answer is true. 6. Villagers were not self-reliant during the Mughal period. The answer is false. 7. Poet Ras Khan was a disciple of Vaishnav Acharya Vittal Nath Ji. The answer is true. 8. Indian textile were very famous in the market of Europe and Asia during the Mughal period. The answer is true. 9. The name of Shivaji's father was Sambhaji and the name of his mother was Jijabai. The answer is false. 10. Guerrilla technique means surprise attack on the enemy. The answer is true. Question 4. Match the pair. In first point, sentence to the death Sikh Guru Arjan Singh. The answer is 4. Jahangir. Second, built Taj Mahal. The answer is 6. Shah Jahan. Third, founder of the Maratha state. The answer is 2nd. Shivaji. Fourth, followers of Vittal Nath Ji. The answer is 3rd. Ras Khan. Fifth, fought for foreign of Marwar. The answer is 1. Veer Durgadas. Question 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. In first question, who was the most powerful among the Mughal rulers? The answer is Akbar was the most powerful among the Mughal ruler. Second question, whom did Jahangir imprison? Why? The answer is Jahangir impressed Prince Khusro as he revolted against him. Question 5 का question 3 है, whom did Jahangir sentence to death? Why? The answer is Jahangir sentenced to death Sikh Guru Arjan Singh for helping the revolt of Prince Khusro. Question 5 का question 4 है, name the representative of the King of England who visited India during Jahangir's reign. What was the purpose of the visit? The answer is Sir Hawkins and Sir Thomas Roe, the representative of the King of England, visited India during the reign of Jahangir. The purpose of the visit was the seek permission to the trade in India. Question 5 का question 5 है, why did Shah Jahan continue Akbar's revenue system? The answer is Shah Jahan continues Akbar's revenue system as he believed that agriculture was the pillar of the prosperity. Question 5 का question 6 है, name the new city established by Shah Jahan where? The answer is Shah Jahan established the new city of the Shahjahanabad near Delhi. Question 5 का question 7 है, name the architectural monument constructed during the reign of Shah Jahan. The answer is the architectural monument constructed during the reign of Shah Jahan at Agra where Taj Mahal, Sheesh Mahal, Rang Mahal of Mumtaz and Moti Masjid. He also constructed Red Fort, Diwan-e-Am and Diwan-e-Khas. In Red Fort and Jama Masjid in Delhi, he built Shahi Bagh in Ahmedabad and the new city of the Shahjahanabad in Delhi. Question 5 का question 8 है, with whom did Aurangzeb struggle continuously for 25 years? The answer is Aurangzeb struggled continuously for 25 years against Veer Durgadas in the north and the Marathas in the south. Question 5 का question 9 है, who established the Maratha state where? The answer is Maratha state established Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in response to chaos and misrule that prevailed in Deccan. Question 5 का question 10 है, which communities in the north revolt against Aurangzeb? The answer is the Jats, the Satnamis, the Bandalas, the Rajputs and the Sikh communities revolt against the Aurangzeb in the north. Question 5 का question 11 है, which Indian products were famous worldwide during the Mughal era? The answer is the shawl from the Lahore, the carpet from Kashmir, the dhuris from Fatehpur Sikri, cotton clothes from Gujarat, and Muslim from Dhaka were famous worldwide during the Mughal era. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 12 है, from which port were the goods imported and exported during the Mughal era? The answer is the goods were imported and exported from the Khambat, Surat, Bharuch port in Gujarat as well as port in Malabar and Bengal during the Mughal era. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 13 है, who was famous as constructor of palace? Why? The answer is Emperor Shah Jahan was famous as constructor of palace because many grand architectural monuments were constructed during the reign. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 14 है, who wrote famous dohas and sakhis during the Mughal era? The answer is Saint poets Kabir and Rahim wrote famous dohas and sakhis during the Mughal era. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 15 है, which Muslim poet composed poetry in Hindi language? The answer is Raskan, a follower of Vaishnav Acharya Vittal Nathji composed poem poetry in Hindu language. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 16 है, which two French travelers visited India during the Mughal era? The answer is the French travelers Tavernier and Bernier visited India during the Mughal era. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 17 है, what were the observation made by Bernier? The answer is Bernier observed that the Mughal rulers spent too much money on the army. The Indian textile were very famous in the markets of Europe and Asia. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 18 है, whose struggle against Aurangzeb was the most noteworthy? The answer is in 1657 while Aurangzeb attacked Golconda and Bijapur in the Deccan, the Hindu Maratha warrior Shivaji used guerrilla techniques to control of 3 Adil Shah's 4. Question 5 का 19 है, Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 19 है, where and when was Shivaji born? The answer is Shivaji was born at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra in 1630. Write the name of Shivaji's parents. The answer is the name of Shivaji parents are the mother of the Shivaji is Jijamata and the father of the Shivaji is Shahji Bhosle. 21 question, who molded the character of Shivaji? The answer is Shivaji was molded by his mother and mentor Dadoji Kondo. Question 22, which qualities did Shivaji inherit from Jijabai? The answer is when Shivaji's mother Jijabai laid the foundation of Swarajya in his mind and his father Shahaji assisted him in laying the foundation of Hindvi Swaraj. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 23 है, which were the fort captured by Shivaji? The answer is Shivaji captured the fort of Raigad, Toran, Sinhgarh, Purandar, etc. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 24 है, where and when was Shivaji coronated? The answer is Shivaji was coronated at Raigad in 1674 C. Question 5 का क्वेश्चन 25 है, what arrangement did Shivaji make for the proper administration of his state? The answer is Shivaji formed a cabinet of the 8 ministers for the proper administration of his state. Page number 62, question 6. Give historical reasons for the following. In first question, a lot of monuments were constructed during Shah Jahan's reign. The answer is first, during Shah Jahan's reign there was peace within the empire. Second, his encouragement to agriculture and trade meant more income for the citizen as well as the state. There was also increase in the foreign trade. Third, the treasury was flooded with the money that he inherited from his father as well as grandfather. Fourth, he utilized this money from the construction of the monumental architectures. Question 6 का क्वेश्चन 2 है, why did the decline of the vast Mughal empire start during the reign of Aurangzeb? The answer is Aurangzeb's narrow, short-sighted, fanatic and intolerant politics led to the discontent in many parts of the Mughal empire. The militant and self-respecting Jats and Sikh, the Rajputs, the Satnamis and the Marathas revolts against the Mughal emperor. The Shia Muslim ruler of the Bijapur and Golconda became his enemies. Aurangzeb spent most year of his life fighting against the Rajput and the Marathas. The constant warfare impeded the royal treasury. Due to these reasons, the decline of the Mughal Empire started during the reign of Aurangzeb. Question 6 का question third है, there was prosperity during the time of Shahjahan. The answer is Shahjahan was the fifth Mughal emperor of India. During his reign from 1628 to 1658, the Mughal empire reached its zenith in prosperity and luxurious. He is remembered as the builder of the Taj Mahal. 7. Write short notes. In first point, Shivaji. The answer is Shivaji was born in 1630 CE at Shivneri Fort in Maharashtra. Shahaji Bhosle, a Jagirdar in the service of the Sultan of Bijapur, was his father and Jizabai was his mother. He inherited self-respect, fearlessness and brilliance from his mother Jizabai. He dreamed of an independent state, Hindvi Swaraj. From his childhood, he was molded by his mother and mentor Dadoji Koндав. At a tender age of 16 years, he laid foundation of his Swarajya by capturing the Toran fort. Thereafter, he captured Chakkan, Purandar, Sinhgarh and many other forts. After many confrontation with the Sultan of Bijapur and the Mughal, Shivaji was coronated at Raigad in 1674 CE and assumed the title of Chhatrapati. Thereby, his independent kingdom was established in Maharashtra. He formed a cabinet of 8 ministers for the proper of administration of his state. Second point, Shahjahan and architecture. The answer is Shahjahan was a lover of art and architecture. He was fond of building the grand and beautiful monument. He had built many beautiful monuments in Delhi, Agra, Kabul, Khandar, Kashmir, Lahore and Ajmer. He had built the Red Fort in Delhi. Within this fort, he had built a new city and had named it is Shahjahanabad. In the Red Fort, he had built Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, Rang Mahal and Sheesh Mahal of Mumtaz. His royal seat Mayurasan in the Diwane Khas was a bezeled beautiful piece of art. He built Jama Masjid in Delhi and Moti Masjid in Agra. On the bank of river Yamuna in Agra, he built Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. This beautiful architecture monument is a tourist attraction. He was also very fond of gardens. He got built and developed Shahi Bagh in Ahmedabad. For building this architecture monument, Shahjahan was known as the constructor of palaces. Third short note, Aurangzeb's policy. The answer is policies of Aurangzeb was short-sighted, fanatic, intolerant, hateful and aggressive. The Jat of Mathura, the Sadnamis of Mewar and the Bandlas of Bandlakhand revolt. He managed to suppress these revolts. He spoilt relation with the Rajputs. As a result, the Rajput who were friends of Mughal since the time of Akbar become the enemies during the reign of Aurangzeb. The inimical relation with the Sikhs led to many wars. His plan to bring Marwars under his control after the demise of the king of Jodhpur led to 25 years long conflict with Veer Durgadas. Ultimately, he had to make peace with Durgadas. Chhatrapati Shivaji formed his Swarajya, the independent kingdom of Marathas, in Maharashtra during the times of Aurangzeb. Thereby, he challenged the supremacy of Mughals. Aurangzeb conquered and annexed to his empire the Shia Muslim states of Bijapur, Golconda. With the fall of these two Muslim states, the Marathas were emboldened to fight against Aurangzeb's When Aurangzeb personally invaded Deccan after the death of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sambhaji, Chhatrapati Rajaram and Maharani Tarabai offered tough resistance. He failed to conquer the Maratha kingdom. Aurangzeb spent the entire period of his later life in Deccan. The Mughal army was tired of continuous warfare. These wars emptied his treasury. This led to the डिक्लाइन ऑफ द मुगल एम्पायर आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ औरंगजेब। ठीक है, तो इसी के साथ इस वीडियो में ये चैप्टर यहाँ पे खत्म होता है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के साथ मिलते हैं। अगर वीडियो पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।